You just landed in Bali. Here are the Indonesian words you'll need in your very first hours, from the taxi to your first meal. Level A1. Here's the truth, almost no tourist learns a single word, so the moment you do, everything changes. Taxi drivers, warung owners and hotel staff treat you completely differently when you greet them in their language. And money matters too. Without a few key words, the tourist price can be 2 or 3 times what locals pay. So before you even leave the airport, these are the words that will save you time, money, and a few headaches. Module 1. The 7 words you land with. 7 words for your first hours. The most important one first.
Terima kasih.
Thank you. Say it to everyone, it opens every door. Next, the money word.
Berapa?
How much? Always ask before you buy. Then, to find your way.
Di mana?
Where is? Add a place after it. If you ever need help.
Tolong.
Please, or help me. To move through a crowd.
Permisi.
Excuse me. To ask if something's possible.
Bisa.
Can, or possible. And to order anything.
Saya mau.
I want. Point and say saya mau and you're understood. Listen to a typical airport taxi. Notice how the words you just learned all come back.
Permisi. Bisa ke hotel ini?
Excuse me, can you take me to this hotel?
Pakai argo, ya.
Use the meter. Insist on this, it stops overcharging.
Berapa kira-kira?
About how much? Kira-kira means roughly.
Terima kasih.
And of course, thank you. 3 reflexes to arrive like a pro, not a target. 1. In any taxi, say pakai argo, use the meter, or agree the price before you sit down. 2. Ask berapa, before everything. The first price you hear is almost never the local one. 3. Order your water tanpa es, without ice, for the first few days. Your stomach will thank you. Bonus, a genuine smile and a terima kasih will always get you further than money. Module 2. Your hotel, and your first meal. 5 phrases from check-in to your first bite.
Saya sudah booking.
I already have a booking. The perfect way to start at reception.
Kamar saya.
My room. Add a number and you're set.
Air putih.
Plain water, what you ask for when you just want still water.
Tanpa es.
Without ice. The phrase that protects your stomach in the first days. And the one that wins hearts everywhere.
Enak.
Delicious. Say it after a meal, and you've made a friend. You now have everything for your first hours in Bali, the 7 words, the taxi dialogue, and the 5 phrases for your hotel and first meal. Want to actually speak it before you fly? Try a free lesson at indolingua.fr.
Selamat datang di Bali.
Welcome to Bali.